What is metabolism? Metabolism is a definition of all chemical reactions that are involved in maintaining the living state of the cells and organisms. There are two categories of metabolism, which are catabolism and anabolism. Metabolism is the molecules that are broken down to obtain energy. Anabolism is a synthesis of all the compounds that the cell requires. Metabolism relates to nutrition and nutrients because bioenergetics require a proper nutritious diet and sufficient nutrients to obtain energy. Bioenergetics is a term that is used to explain the pathways that the cells are able to obtain energy through. A major component of metabolism is the formation of energy. Nutrition is important because the bioenergetics rely upon the nutrients that are broken down and used as energy. The energy is necessary to create new proteins and acids. Nutrients supply caloric energy and other chemicals that help to build, upkeep, and repair body tissues. A lot of nutrients are supplied in carbohydrates, water, vitamins, minerals, lipids, and proteins. Carbohydrates come in three different types, such as starch, sugar, and cellulose, which is also known as fiber. Starches and sugars are crucial to energy formation. As we can see, what goes in is oxygen, water, dry food, and chemical energy. What goes out is carbon dioxide, sweat and breath, urine, feces, and heat.